if anybody wants to ask questions, either through the chat panel, or you can raise your hand so that I can unmute and you can ask your questions. This is the question answer sessions. You can ask your questions now. Lata Vidyaranya.
Namaste, Mahodaya. Will the recordings be here after the class?
After the class, by 12 o'clock, it will be uploaded. It will be uploaded in the course page.
Okay.
Anyhow, we are doing the live on YouTube. It will still be available on YouTube directly after this class.
Okay. Dhanyavada, Mahodaya.
Dhanyavada. Jayashri Mohan.
Namaste, Mahodaya. Can I send this test answers by 9:30?
You can answer and send it. No problem.
I didn't complete it yet. So can I send it by 9:30 or before 10? Is it okay?
You can send it. Okay.
Because in the tablet I don't have that WhatsApp, so I have to do in the cell phone. So that's why I asked for request. So now only it came late. I got that link, so I couldn't complete it. That's why.
Okay.
I can send it by before 10, sir. Thank you so much. Dhanyavada.
Soumya H.
No, sir. I don't have any questions.
Okay. Who else? Sudha Sridhar.
Namaste, Venkat Mahodaya.
Namaste.
We are Sudha Sridhar here. We will be right now in India, but we'll be moving back to Nigeria in a few weeks, at which time this course will start at midnight or something, midnight or 12:30. So at that time, take it offline by watching the course material later. The only challenge to ask you is how to do the tests which are there. And number two is we'll be logging in together, because in the same room we'll be doing it together normally. And that's what
one ID.
One ID we'll be doing it. So mark our attendance every time. That's the only other point I had, Venkatji.
Okay, you can send me a mail regarding this.
Okay, and the test will be available even later, right? We can.
Yes, it will be available. So weekend Fridays the test will be sent, and it will be available for at least 2 days. So you will have time till Monday morning to answer the test.
Okay.
That is how the test, chapter-wise tests will be given. Friday evening, the test will be sent India time. Monday morning, early morning, the test should have come. The test should have been answered. This is the model we are going to follow. So the test is, you can answer the test without seeing the book by that time and send it. Be honest to yourself and answer and send it. That's all.
Okay. Dhanyavada.
Ramakrishna Rao.
Sir, I have not received the intimation mail yesterday or today, sir.
Can you send a mail regarding that? Sanskrit from.
So I have registered, but I did not get the confirmation mail. I mean, that is a class mail.
Okay. Okay. You can send a mail regarding that. There may be some technical issues. Our team will look into it. Dhanyawad.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Satish Bhatia, you have any questions?
Can I see the corrected sheet for later on? I can go over it.
The corrected answers you would have already received.
Okay. Did it come to me by mail or what? Or it's all there on my? Okay, maybe I can see them. Yes, I can see them. I start seeing. Thank you.
You can see the correct answers straight away.
Okay, thank you.
That is why we use the Google Forms.
Okay, all right.
Mahalakshmi Gadiraju.
Namaskara Mahodaya. Shruyate va?
Shruyate.
In the slide that you have displayed here, it says buy Samskrita learning products. Is there any material that you would recommend that will be useful for this course for us to download or buy?
I will be recommending certain materials. So in the further classes, I will be talking about it.
Okay. Dhanyavada.
Okay. I don't think so. There are other questions. Raghunandana, have you seen the chat panel? Question answer session. Lakshmi So Lakshmi Kalyana Sundaram has raised a question. Is it only for students or anybody can join? Anybody can join who wants to take this course seriously. Definitely people can join. Those who have not received the remainder mails, please send the mail to us. The book PDF available. So we don't have a book for this course. Ramashankar Bhagini has asked. We don't have a book for this course. The PPTs will be available and will be put on the course page, and you can access the presentations that is there. With your blessings, we want to release a book for this entire course. After the course, we will definitely, by God's grace and your blessings, we can try to release a book for this course. After this course is completed, and we take suggestions from all of you to compile a book. Okay. Yes, if there are two people logging in one ID, please send a mail to us so that we know that you are two people logging in, and we need to send the certificate separately to you. That is why we should know that you both are there from the same house or something. Okay. Okay. So we have tried to answer as much as possible. There'll be some open questions. There might be some open questions. Please send a mail to sanskritgrammar.vyoma@gmail.com. We will try to answer. The exam and word sheet. This is a very good question by Asha Bhagini. Exam and word sheet only for high school students or for all? So the answer, yes, it is for everybody. One person has asked Sophie, do we do Sandhi and Samasa? Yes, they will be dealt with in detail. Bharati Sharma, I'm totally new to Sanskrit, just have some understanding of readings. You can try, if you know reading and writing Sanskrit, Bharati ji, you can attend this course. Guru Dakshina, can it be Gurave Dakshina? That question I will answer when we come to the Samasa. So I think I have answered all the questions. With this, we will just close the class. Thank you very much. Dhanyavadaha. Sarvebhyaha Ram Ram Ram.